Need to rotate pages in a PDF and save it as a new file? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to rotate a PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC and export it as a new document quickly and easily. Follow along to fix incorrectly oriented pages and keep your original file unchanged. First, open Adobe Acrobat Pro DC on your computer and sign in if required. Once you're on the home screen, go to Recent Files and open the PDF you want to rotate. After the file opens, go to the Tools menu and select Organize Pages. This feature lets you manage page structure, including rotating, deleting, and rearranging pages. In Organize Pages view, you'll see thumbnails of all your pages. Click on the page you want to rotate so it becomes selected. Use the Rotate option in the toolbar to rotate the page 90 degrees clockwise or counterclockwise. If needed, select multiple pages to rotate them all at once. Once you're satisfied with the rotation, go to File and select Save As. Choose a new file name and location so you don't overwrite the original document. Click Save and Adobe Acrobat will create a new PDF file with your rotated pages applied. And that's it! You've successfully rotated a PDF and saved it as a new file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more tutorials for additional PDF tips and tricks.